So yo, Tappy Tish now, but forward dog, where they upon my youth? Yo, Tappy, what you say? Tish still a flying dog?
You know, so she just lift up. So it look like she touched on the plane where Tish fly down on the date.
You know which flight she come down upon, because we want to go pick her up and just a link on my dog them and then know that you see me bleach over there.
No need for JetBlue or West. I don't even know where Tish fly down upon.
Sorry. Maybe, yo, easy. I just link one of my dog, them get the car and I will be low. You see me? So yo, my page, you see me? Hold up. Flames dog. Yo, forward. Yeah, they little Jimmy. But yo, ready to pick up Tisha airport dog. Dog. What blood? Dog, what up? What up, dog? Blood clot, dog. Dog, what that, my youth? What that, dog? Dog, what? The man look like he dead. The man look like he dead. Yo, dog, what you do, dog? What you do, my youth? Dog, what you do, my youth? I play Naruto. We are playing Naruto. I mean, not play one book like Naruto. What kind of Naruto play some? Now, what kind of Naruto play some, man? You? The man that funny broke dog. The man, yo, the man a bleed dog. The man really man a dead to one book like. Dog, this is call me now, my youth. Yo, dog, a tissue for go fire now, innit? Dog. We are playing Naruto. I'm a Naruto. I'm a murderer. 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 The man named murderer. The man named murderer. The man named Bumbuckler murderer. The man. You know that me say. You know say murder off a kill off everybody, dog. So me kill him, dog. Yo, dog. How long the dog dead still, dog? Yo, dog, them fuck you and dead and live. Dog, it's a chop him in the head. Yo, dog's a prank, dog's a prank.